JLPT in 5, Grammar Explanation, Lesson 23. Ichibang. Verb dictionary form, toke. When. When connecting two sentences and expressing the time when the state or action described in the main sentence exists or occurs, toke is used. As shown in the table, the forms of verbs, e-adjectives, na-adjectives, and noun connected to toke are the same as the forms when modifying nouns. Examples: Tushukan dihon o kariro toke kado ga irimasu. When you borrow books from the library, you need a card. Tsukai kata ga wakaranai toke watashi ni kiite kudasai. When you don't know how to use it, ask me. Karada no choushi ga warui toke genki cha o nomimasu. When I'm not in a good shape, I drink genki cha. Hima na toke uchi yasubi ni ikimasen ka? Won't you come to my place when you are free? Tsuma ga byuki no toke keisha o yasumimasu. When my wife is sick, I take a day off work. Wakai toke amare benkyou shimasen deshita. When I was young, I did not study much. Kodomo no toke yoko kawa de oyogimashita. I used to swim in a river when I was a child. The tense of adjective sentences and noun sentences which modify toke is not affected by the tense of the main sentence. Nibang. Verb dictionary form, verb ta form, toke. When. When the dictionary form of the predicate is put before toke, it indicates the non-completion of the action. And when the ta form of the predicate is put before toke, it indicates the completion of the action. Examples: Kune kairo toke kabano kaimashita. I bought a bag when I went back to my country. Kune kaita toke kabano kaimashita. I bought a bag when I went back to my country. In Cairo indicates that at the time being referred to the action had not been completed, that the speaker had not reached his or her country yet, and that he or she bought a bag somewhere on his or her way there. Japan is included. In Kaita indicates that the action was completed and the speaker bought a bag after arriving in his or her country. Sangbang, verb dictionary form to. Then, inevitably. When expressing the situation where, as a result of a certain action, another action or matter inevitably happens, to is used to connect the sentences. Examples: Kono botan o osu to otsuri ga dimasu. Press this button and the change will come out. Kore o mawasu to oto ga okiku narimasu. Turn this and the volume will go up. Migi e magaru to you benkyou ko ga arimasu. Turn to the right and you will find the post office. Expressions of one's will, hope, invitation, or request cannot be used in the sentence which follows to. In those cases, the conditional expression tara is used instead of to. See lesson 25. Yobang, ga adjective verb. You learned in lesson 14 that the subject is indicated by ga when describing a natural phenomenon. When describing a state or a scene as it is, the subject is also indicated by ga. Examples: Oto ga chisai desu. The volume is low. Denki ga akaruku narimashita. The light became brighter. Kono botan o osu to kippo ga dimasu. Press this button and a ticket will come out. Gobang, noun place o verb, verb of movement. The particle o is used to denote the place where a person or a thing passes. The verb of a movement such as sanpushimasu, watarimasu, arukimasu, etc. are used in this pattern. Examples: Koe no sanpushimasu. I take a walk in the park. Michi o watarimasu. I cross the road. Kosate no migi e magarimasu. I turn to the right at the intersection. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!